Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Android Jio SIM is active and you can receive OTPs. This prevents delays. Next, gather original ID and address proof because the agent will need to verify identity. Once done, note the Jio number and keep the Android phone handy to receive SMS OTPs during transfer. Make sure the SIM is not blocked and you know any handset lock details. These steps speed the SIM swap process when you reach the store or use the app. You either go to a Jio store or open the My Jio app to start a SIM swap. In person is faster for device-specific swaps. When at the counter, present ID and fill the SIM transfer form. The agent will request an OTP to validate your number. Choose the nano or appropriate SIM size for your Jio phone and complete KYC. Sometimes biometric verification is required. Make sure to ask for the activation time estimate so you can plan inserting the new SIM into the... You insert the new Jio SIM into the Jio phone and power it on, then follow the phone's basic setup prompts so the network can register. Once done, wait up to 30 minutes for full activation. You should see signal bars and be able to make a test call or send an SMS. If the phone stays without service, make sure the SIM is seated correctly, restart the device, and confirm activation with the agent. One troubleshooting tip: if still no network, ask the store to rerun activation or request a replacement SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.